Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website at ZAPTEST.AI. In today's video, we will cover the best practices for software test automation. Let's dive in. Start with defining test case objectives. Before choosing what to automate, decide upon several test case objectives. Testing thought leadership needs to focus on context and value when determining the cases. Figure out the most critical areas for customer satisfaction, the most detrimental defects to prevent, and the desired added value from automation. Next goes prioritizing tests. Keep in mind that just because you can automate a test doesn't mean that you should. Determine which tests are most imperative to long-term continuous integration. If an issue does not cause a critical problem, you can consider testing for it unnecessary. Avoid investing time and money in minimal issues. Make sure to ensure reliability across platforms. In the digital age, there are countless platforms that people use to access applications. During web application automated testing, you should determine that the product runs on desktop browsers and mobile devices. Ensure it works reliably across different operating systems and platforms. Overall, keep scalability in mind as you develop and maintain test automation. Develop and maintain tests. When developing tests, try to minimize the amount of time spent. While sophisticated, time-consuming tests may provide the desired results, you will likely struggle to use and maintain them in the long run. Try to balance test creation and maintenance efforts for scalability. Also, treat test code like production code. Have a backup and history saved. Furthermore, ensure that you can fix and maintain it easily. Keep open communication between channels. When working to automate software testing, make sure you keep open communication. Those in your test, business, and engineering departments need to understand each other's goals and work. Any miscommunication could lead to defects that require more time and testing to repair. Check out the description where you can find guide and article links to software testing automation, RPA, and hyperautomation. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch our other videos linked in the description.